Hello everyone, welcome back to a very new session of psychology, and we were doing psychology paper from our IIT Guwahati paper of 2026. Just a minute, yes. So we will be solving a series of questions of psychology, and we have got the first question right in front of us. And let me help you. Let me tell you one thing, that this is the first series of psychology of GATE. Okay, and if you see that after watching our video, if you have got some problem, if you problem in the sense you have got some doubts, some questions are still not clarified, some pointers are still not answered, please call us or WhatsApp us in the number 9062395123, and you can join our classes doubt clearing session. You can ask for study materials as well, and for you can sit for mock tests. We have got a dedicated teams of student counselor, educators and teachers who will help you out in all your doubts and questions will be answered. Okay. Now, the first question, in cognitive behavioral therapy, which of the following types of faulty thinking may be identified by the therapist? Compulsion, arbitrary inference, dichotomization, and maximization and minimization. CBT, cognitive behavioral theory, tell us. It's about faulty thinking, right? In CBT, tell me, what does faulty thinking actually means? What does it mean actually? Cognitive distortions, right? First is cognitive distortion. Then comes systematic errors in thinking patterns. Now, these distortions, write it down, it affects emotion, number one. Number two, what happens is influence behavior. Number three, it's about our targets of therapy. So, CBT doesn't change behavior, it corrects distorted thinking. So, it corrects. It corrects distorted thinking. Okay, that's the work of cognitive behavioral theory. Understood? Now, what is common cognitive distortion? Tell me. What are the common cognitive distortion? First is arbitrary inference. Number one is arbitrary inference. Yes, I'll tell you one thing later on. Arbitrary inference. Then is dichotomous thinking, black and white. Dichotomous. Then come maximization, minimization. Okay. Then comes overgeneralization. The list I am giving it to you, please note it down, it's very important. Do not take it lightly. Personalization. Now we will move on to the option part and we will check whether we get it or not, whether these options are there in my list or not. First is compulsion, it's not there, so it won't be. Okay, it's in because compulsion is equal to behavioral acts seen in OCD kind of pattern. Okay, it's behavioral act. Primarily seen in OCD people. Okay, not a thinking error. It's not a thinking, it's a behavioral act problem. Like I cannot sit by the time whenever if the thing is right, it's tilted, I will always make it I will make sure that it's correct, it's aligned. These are the things. This is OCD problem. So not thinking error, not a cognitive distortion. Basically it's not thinking error. Okay, or a cognitive distortion. Not, huh? Clear? Next comes arbitrary inference. Arbitrary inference is correct. See, first pointer, arbitrary inference. Drawing conclusion without evidence. Without evidence. Okay. And she didn't reply, that means she hate me. Classic girlfriend material. No, rather classic boyfriend, I must say, right? So if the girl thinks, okay, I texted him but he didn't reply, definitely he's busy with someone else. So the thing, जो तुम लोग ये जो हरकतें करते रहते हो, यही होता है आर्बिट्ररी इन्फ्लुएंस. साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम है तुम लोगों को. हाँ, तो यही है. तो मैं नहीं लिख रही, क्लासिक सीबीटी डिस्टॉर्शन में आते हैं ये. एकदम से भरपूर सीबीटी डिस्टॉर्शन है तुम लोगों का. अभी तक कहाँ थे? डेफिनेटली तुम कहीं और थे, किसी और लड़की के साथ थे. हाँ, तो ये भी सीबीटी डिस्टॉर्शन में है. Then dichotomization, this is correct. Again, I have taught you over there. Black and white thinking. For example, if I fail once, I am a complete failure. That's what I say completely all the students. Please, that's what's the reason I asked for you to come and sit for the mock test. कि failure होता रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि सक्सेस एक दिन में नहीं आता है. कि मैंने देखो, पारस का पत्थर तो कोई हो नहीं तुम लोग कि जो भी छू लोगे वो सोना बन जाएगा. मैं तो कहती हूँ कि सबकी किस्मत, हमारे जितने भी लोग मतलब मेरे जनरेशन के और तुम्हारे जनरेशन के बच्चे की भी मैं कहती रहती हूँ कि शायद तुम्हारे जनरेशन की किस्मत हम लोगों से थोड़ा सा बेहतर है, पर हम लोग का किस्मत उज़ैर बलोच जैसा ही है, बहुत घटिया. ओके, तो बात इतनी सी है कि फेलियर ऐसा नहीं. फेलियर का क्या मतलब है? इफ आई से फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स अ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट थिंकिंग. I generalize everything. I generalize. If I crack once, I will be successful every time. No. If I fail once, I will be successful every time. No. I will be failure every time. No. So that's the reason I ask you to sit for mock test, so that you can understand that after 3 fail or after 4 fail attempt, you will get pass. You will pass rather. Your score will get high. You will understand your flaws, your problems, your minor mistakes, your silly errors, your overlooking, everything will be. So these are the things. That's why we need rehearsal. That's why we need preparation mode. That is the reason why you need to sit for mock test. Okay, so because success एक ही बार आएगा शायद, और वो एक बार में नहीं आएगा. 3-4 बार पेपर घिसने के बाद शायद एक बार सक्सेस आए. Go and ask to some UPSC aspirants, they will show you the right or correct way better than me. Okay, so this is the thing I was telling you. So my for example, dichotomization, if I fail once, I become black and white thinking. For example, Next comes de-maximization and minimization. This is also correct. Why? Exaggerating negatives, downplaying positives. All the political parties people do these things. कुछ हुआ नहीं है, डाल दो ब्लेम. मतलब थोड़ा सा अभी जो गैस क्राइसिस हो रहा है, ये यहाँ पे हो रहा है सिर्फ, ये पूरे विश्व में हो रहा है. Entire world is going through the gas crisis because of the Middle East wars, because Strait of Hormuz is locked, and because of all these things for more than 3 weeks it has got. Still we are trying. Our government is trying to bring LPG cylinder, gas, petroleum, everything back to our country, and I think Iran government has given a sanction that Indian ships can pass. So all these attempts have taken care of, all these things have been taken care of. What will we do if there is a war in the Middle East, right? But yes, we will always blame, we will play the blame game, and we will exaggerate the situation. Just watch any TV show. Indian TV news channels are so heinous, I must say. There's a horrible thing that can happen to our society, that you switch on a news channel at 7 p.m. and you just hear shouting with the debate. It's not debate, they call it debate, it's not debate. They are just shouting, they are just harassing each other. They're basically harassing our ears. It's kind of sound pollution, I just see. And sometimes there are people who are always eulogizing that we have done this, we have done that, we have done this. So this is a thing. So exaggerating negative and downplaying positive. Okay. So my mistake is huge, my mistake is nothing. That's the thing. Even after committing some heinous acts like rape and murder, there are people, there are politicians, there are CM even who comes and say, वो लोग तो बच्चे हैं, बच्चों से गलतियाँ हो जाते हैं. This is the thing. So उनको भी problem है psychological. ठीक है. Let's now focus on how. One thing I have to say. Have you ever thought that if I don't succeed, I am useless? You must have thought that. That's not reality. That's a distorted thinking. Everybody of us has got distorted thinking. Now, CBD teaches you to argue with your own mind. Okay. So, when we talk about this kind of concepts, we cannot let back this name, Aaron Beck, who gave us the concept of who was the founder of basically CBT. And focus on automatic thoughts. Focus on automatic. Clear? So change the thought and change the emotion. Okay. Now everything has been done. Yes, this question has been solved, and we will move on to the next question. Before I end the video, I must tell you that I've tried you to give all the options clearly, explicitly possible, definitions, meaning, assumptions, everything have been discussed over here in the video. After watching the video, if you still feel that there are some certain pointers left out and you want to understand those, please call us and join our sessions. Okay. Have a lovely day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.